today's video is going to be my June Boxycharm. Woo! I'm excited. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is the best monthly subscription service ever. Say it with me. For real. I've been getting it for years now and I absolutely love it. I will link my previous Boxycharm unboxing playlist videos down below. $21 a month. It is totally worth it. Let's get into it because I'm excited. This month the theme is Caribbean Queen. Oh yeah. First thing I'm pulling out are 3 brushes from Luxie. We have the Duo Fiber Powder Brush, the Precision Foundation Brush, and the Tapered Highlight Brush. I have a bunch of brushes from Luxie and I really love them. They are awesome. Really great quality. So let's see, this retails for $42. So already you've paid for the box. This is double what you pay for the box, literally. Next thing in the box is from Jante Blue. This is an eyeliner pencil in dark brown. I actually already have this because I've worked with this company in the past. This is waterproof eyeliner pencil, retails for $5. You know, I'm not really a fan of like pencil liners. I like gel pencil liners, so I'm probably going to give this guy away. We have a lip color from Ofra. This is in Verona. This is a really pretty nude color. This retails for $21. Did their prices go up? Because I feel like their liquid lipsticks used to be like $18 or $19. I don't know, maybe I'm totally making that up. I don't know, but yeah, this is a pretty color. I will totally wear this. All right, what is this? What is this? This is Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. Ooh, mama loves her eyelashes. Retails for $28. 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. Let's see. Okay, so they're not too dramatic, but you know, they are very nice looking and I'm excited. Next we have some Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I've heard everyone and their mother talk about this and I've never tried it. So this is from Sol de Janeiro. It's a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. It's inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. I don't know why I felt I needed to shake my bum bum when I said the word bum bum, or the words bum bum. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. Ooh, you need caffeine on your ass? Okay, all right. The fast absorbing texture creates just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Okay, so this isn't like specifically for your ass, right? Or is it? I don't know. I always thought that it was like specifically for your ass. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But let's smell this. I know I got this in like a previous box from some... Ooh, that smells really good. Oh my gosh. That smells really good. I'm super excited. Okay, and the last thing in the box, as always, well, as like 99% of the time, it's a palette. This is from who? From who? Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Reina del Caribe Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette, volume 1. We got this bright yellow packaging. And ooh, look at these colors. Okay, very tropical. I can get down with this. These are like great summer colors. Okay, so my thoughts on this box. Again, another amazing box from Boxycharm. I am super excited about the ass cream. Is it? I need to look it up. It says helps tighten and smooth like no other. It's not just for your bum, right? I don't know. I'm excited for these lashes too. They're not as dramatic as, actually, you know, looking at them, they kind of, you know, they're a little bit longer than natural lashes. So I will definitely like these. I'm excited for this Ofra color. It's right up my alley. I'm glad I didn't get like a pink or a red because I don't really like to wear pinks and reds. I'm super excited for this palette. These are definitely colors I will try out. What else did we get? Brushes. Can always use more brushes, especially from Luxie. I love their brushes. The eyeliner was the only thing. I'm just kind of like another eyeliner. So that's everything that was in my June Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have a link to Boxycharm down below if you want to sign up. And make sure to check out my other unboxings if you're still on the fence. If you're on the fence, just get off the fence. Go to the right side of the fence. Come on over to the Boxycharm side of the fence because seriously, it's amazing over here. All right, I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.